Good morning, P1 students. How are you today? Today is Monday and it's the 1st of June 2020. And today also is Children's Day. So happy Children's Day, everyone. Okay, so as you can see in my screen, it's about a video that I sent you last time. So today we're just gonna go over it and discuss it often. So I'm gonna play this, and this one will tells us about push and pull. Okay, so I'm gonna play the this one. So as you can see, this boy, he's K, right? So he is in an ice. So he is holding this thing. And what do you think he's doing? Is he pushing or pulling? Okay, we'll check. How about this girl? She has a flower in the box. And what is she doing? Is she pushing or pulling? So push and pull are two forces for us to move stuff, to move things, right? We can either push. Push is when we put objects away from us. Away, meaning far from us. So if this is, let's say, for example, this is my notebook. If I want this notebook to be, if I want to push this notebook, then the notebook will be far away from me. Push, like that. When I say pull, is when we put the objects close to us, close towards us, right? Closer towards us, like pull like this, pull, like that. So the boy that you saw, he is pushing, and then the girl, this girl is pulling. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so this is a rope, right? So this game is called tug of war. So there's two group, right? So two group, and then they're going to pull the rope. So it shows like teamwork. What else? Teamwork. Like it shows like who's more stronger, who has more strength. So whoever. So this game is that whoever. Because there's like if this, imagine this is the rope, and then here there's they will tie something here. So if then there's a line, so whoever, like for example, the line is here, so there's a group of people here, group of people here, and then if they will tug the rope, so like this, if they go this way and like that, and then the line, so this group wins, right? So they are pulling against each other. So this group wins. Oh, hold on. See? So tug of war is very common, and I don't know if you play that. So if we will have we'll go back to school, then maybe we can play that game. Okay, sounds fun, right? So you have to pull the rope, right? So pull like this. Pull. The object is next to you. Okay, now let's go to push. So push means when you move object away from you, like away. So this is towards you, pull, and push is away from you. So just remember that pull closer to you, push farther from you. Okay? Like this guy, what is he doing? So there's like they're playing snowball games. Yeah, so he was pushing. So to make the ball circle, push like this also is push. All right. Okay, so much with this one. So let's go to your assignment and see if I can. Let's review the assignments that I gave you last time. Okay, this one is your assignment. So for your assignment, I sent you a picture, right? So you are going to identify if the picture is push or pull. So again, push away from you, pull closer to you, closer towards you, push to away from you. Okay, look at this guy. For number one, this guy is pushing a wheelbarrow, right? And then this mom and daughter or a kid, the mom is pushing the stroller. How about this one? Look at the robot. The robot is pulling, right? Pull. He is trying to move and this thing looks so heavy. Look at his face. How about this guy? This guy is swimming and then he is pulling this guy, right? And then this guy, he wants to put this stuff inside or in the door. So he is pushing. How about this one? He is doing like exercise. So he is pulling. Pull. How about this one? Cleaning the yard. He is pushing, right? How about this one? It's like a dwarf, an elf. He is pulling the wood. And look at the mom. The baby is crying and the baby is pulling the mom's clothes. Okay, let's review. So here's this one. This guy, number one, is push. Number two, push. Number three, pull. This one is pull, push. 6 is pull. How about this one? Push, pull, and pull. Right? So again, as you can see, push is going this way, pull is going this way. Alright, that would be all. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy your day today. Goodbye.